Hi guys, I'm now in Lucky Plaza, level 6, Kimli Food Court. Okay, going to tour around. What's here? Kimli Food Court. Ayam Goreng, $5 only. Ayam Goreng berapa? Wow. Ayam masak $6, beef $6, asam pedas $8. Wow, this is very affordable. Okay, well, now I know where to get good cheap food in Orchard now. Okay, Lucky Plaza, level 6 also. Then it's every dollar 250 you can actually get 50 cent coupon. Okay. Kimli. Let's go and tour around. And the best chicken, Western food. Food prices is affordable. This is the top store. Bit of Muslim. Oh no! Now you can actually have like Chinese food, but it's Muslim halal. Okay, good news for Malay. You can try Chinese style food, but it's in halal. It's in halal. Good for you guys. Yeah, go. Japanese and Korean food. 780, 780. Oh, nice. Cheap food here right in Orchard Road. If you guys love to eat fish soup like me, mee hoon kueh, oh, 480 mee hoon kueh here. Fish soup at only $6. Fried fish. Okay, and then it's Fat Bakery. Japanese food. Drinks. This is a place for you guys to sit. There's here. There's a few stalls, but I think it's good enough. Sufficient and prices is reasonable. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.